Best spinning reel. Are you looking for the best spinning reel? In this video we will look at some of the best spinning reel on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Rapala Stradic CI4 plus 2500 HGFB. The Shimano Stradic CI4 plus 2500 is a high-performance spinning reel designed for anglers seeking a combination of lightness, strength, and smooth operation. Weighing just 6.7 ounces, this reel is exceptionally lightweight, making it easy to handle for extended fishing sessions. Its gear ratio of 6.0 to 1 delivers a line retrieval rate of approximately 35 inches per turn, allowing for fast and efficient lure retrieval. With a maximum drag of 20 pounds, it is capable of handling a variety of fish sizes with confidence. Built with a durable carbon fiber body and a cold-forged aluminum spool, the Stradic CI4 Plus offers excellent strength while keeping weight to a minimum. The reel is equipped with 6 stainless steel SARB ball bearings and 1 roller bearing, ensuring smooth operation, reduced friction, and enhanced corrosion resistance, ideal for both freshwater and saltwater use. The Magnum Light rotor further reduces perceived weight and allows effortless rotation of the handle, enhancing overall comfort during long fishing trips. The 2500 size is versatile, suitable for medium-sized species, and the CI4 Plus series is available in sizes ranging from 1000 to 4000, making it adaptable for various fishing techniques and species. Lightweight, durable, and smooth, the Shimano Stradic CI4 Plus 2500 is a reliable choice for anglers who value performance and precision. Number 2. Abu Garcia Revo Premier Spinning Reel. The Abu Garcia Revo Premier 20, also known as the 2000 size, is a lightweight and high-performance spinning reel designed for anglers who value precision, comfort, and durability. Weighing just 6.5 ounces, it is easy to handle, making it ideal for long fishing sessions without causing fatigue. The reel has a gear ratio of 6.2 to 1, providing smooth and efficient line retrieval for a variety of fishing techniques. Built for reliability, the Revo Premier features 11 stainless steel HPCR ball bearings and 1 roller bearing, delivering exceptionally smooth operation with minimal friction. Its 11-pound carbon matrix drag system ensures consistent pressure and control, making it easier to land fish without line breakage. The reel's durable C6 carbon fiber body, rotor, and handle contribute to its lightweight design while offering outstanding strength. A machined aluminum spool adds further durability, supporting both casting distance and line management. Abu Garcia's rocket line technology enhances performance by reducing wind knots and maximizing casting distance, making each cast more precise and effortless. The Revo Premier 20 has a line capacity of 120 yards with 8-pound monofilament or 175 yards with 8-pound braided line, offering versatility for different fishing conditions. Combining lightweight design, smooth operation, and advanced features, the Abu Garcia Revo Premier 20 is a dependable choice for anglers seeking both performance and comfort on the water. Number 3. Daiwa BG Spinning Reel. The Daiwa BG 3000 is a robust and high-performance spinning reel designed for anglers seeking strength, reliability, and smooth operation. Weighing 10.8 ounces, it strikes a balance between durability and comfort, making it suitable for extended fishing sessions. With a gear ratio of 5.6 to 1, the reel provides steady and controlled line retrieval, ideal for targeting bass and other medium-sized fish in open water, where longer casts are often required. Built to withstand challenging conditions, the Daiwa BG 3000 features a machined aluminum body with a black anodized finish. This coating enhances corrosion resistance and protects against scratches, ensuring the reel maintains its appearance and performance over time. The reel also includes a 15.4-pound maximum drag, allowing anglers to fight larger fish confidently without risking line breakage. For improved casting efficiency, the BG 3000 is equipped with a large ABS spool and a lightweight air rotor, both designed to reduce friction and make turning the handle effortless. This combination allows for smoother, longer casts, giving anglers greater control and precision on the water. The line capacity is generous, holding up to 240 yards of 8-pound monofilament or 280 yards of 8-pound braided line, offering versatility for various fishing setups. Overall, the Daiwa BG 3000 combines strength, smooth performance, and casting efficiency, making it a reliable choice for serious anglers looking to elevate their fishing experience. Number 4. Okuma Helios Lightweight Spinning Reel. The Okuma Helios 30 spinning reel is a lightweight and versatile option for anglers seeking a durable and reliable reel. Weighing only 7 ounces, it offers excellent balance and comfort, making it easy to handle during long fishing sessions. With a gear ratio of 5.0 to 1, the reel provides smooth and steady line retrieval, allowing for controlled and precise casts in a variety of fishing conditions. Designed for both freshwater and saltwater use, the Helios features 8 corrosion-resistant ball bearings and 1 anti-reverse roller bearing, ensuring smooth operation and long-lasting performance even in harsh environments. The reel's 13-pound drag system delivers reliable stopping power, giving anglers the confidence to fight larger fish without worrying about line breakage. The Helios 30, also referred to as the 3000 size, is particularly suitable for anglers who need extra casting distance or are targeting larger bass. Its monofilament line capacity holds up to 240 yards of 6-pound test line, providing versatility for different fishing setups. In addition to the 30 size, the Helios series is available in sizes 20 and 40, making it adaptable for lighter or heavier applications depending on the species and fishing style. Overall, the Okuma Helios 30 combines lightweight design, smooth performance, and durable construction, making it a dependable choice for anglers seeking versatility and precision on the water. Number 5. Mach 2 Speed Spin Reel. The Mach 2 Speed Spin 100 is a compact and lightweight spinning reel, weighing just 8.2 ounces, designed for anglers who enjoy finesse fishing and precision casts. As a size 100, or 1000, reel, it holds up to 120 yards of 6-pound monofilament line, making it ideal for targeting smaller species or fishing in tight spaces such as ponds and streams where long casting distance is less critical. For those needing more capacity, the Mach 2 series also comes in 200 and 300 sizes, offering versatility for different fishing conditions. The reel features a 9+1 bearing system with double-shielded stainless steel ball bearings, providing smooth operation, excellent durability, and resistance to corrosion. This ensures effortless line retrieval and a long-lasting performance, even with frequent use. Built with a lightweight aluminum body, the Mach 2 incorporates a carbon rotor and a stainless steel bail for added strength without sacrificing weight. The aluminum handle is fitted with a WinDRI-TAC knob, delivering a secure grip even when your hands or gloves are wet, enhancing control during casting and retrieval. With its compact design, smooth mechanics, and lightweight construction, the Mach 2 Speed Spin 100 is an excellent choice for anglers seeking a reliable, easy-to-handle reel for finesse fishing, small ponds, or precision applications.